first time in my life, I just might be tongue-tied. For me to wake up with you kissing me, saying you've been missing me.
What up, beautiful people? This your boy B Savage on behalf of BS Nightlife. Back at it again. This Friday, March 15th, is going down at Lotus Ultra Lounge. We have two big parties. One for my girl Rochelle. Also, we gonna finish the night off with my homegirl E Boogie. Yeah, this Friday, March 15th, Lotus is the place to be. So y'all come out to the home of the Blue Electric Long Island, beautiful people. All hosted by my homie, Rule Jude, with Definition DJ John, the ones and twos. So y'all follow me on Twitter at BS Nightlife. Also check out the website, www.bsnightlife.com. And if you want to stay connected while you're on the go, download the app, BS Nightlife. It is available for iPhone and Android users. BS Nightlife, where loyalty is everything.